Good morning, guys. With this video, I will inform you about the period number 3 from this Monday on, where you have to do the following task. Our objective is to carry out different activities, and we have to type, we have to certify, we have to record our activities in this great chart. So the three types of activities we're going to record here are Kahoots, quizzes, and Flipgrids. Yeah. Here we have some important information. The week challenges. The challenges, it means evaluation for these activities are going to be the following in the following weeks. For Kahoots, the minimum to pass the challenge are 14,000 points. For quizzes, a grade over 4. And for Flipgrids, to get 6 points out of 10. Here we have that in Flipgrid, we have a maximum of 10 points, and you have to check your score in the Flipgrid app. Then you have to type the grades like this, with periods or just like without period, but no commas are going to be accepted. And you have to get your quiz in www.escaladenotas.cl. So here we have an example of period 3, week 1. We have a Kahoot. The Kahoots normally have a name: Kahoot FCE, Kahoot verbs, Kahoot something. Then you have the score. Here there is no grade for Kahoots, but you passed the challenge because the minimum is 14,000 and it was delivered on time. Remember that we have Kahoot challenges and Kahoots live. Here we have quizzes. Quiz number 1, you got 2 out of 10 points. That is a 2. You passed the challenge? No, but you delivered it on time. And finally, you have a Flipgrid, where you were given 7 out of 10 points. That is a 4.8. So you passed the challenge and you delivered the Flipgrid on time. So this is guys, more or less. So further questioning, just chat to me and I will answer back to you. Thank you.